Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Wednesday, June 2nd, and I am back in Boston in Merlot, trusty steed. She's covered in cobwebs, and I just tried the hack where, I don't know if you guys have seen this on TikTok, but if your car is really hot like it is today, I rolled down my passenger window and I just shoved my driver's side door open and closed to try to like push some of the hot air out. I don't know if it worked because I didn't do it that long, but anyway, I kind of thought this vlog could be like a getting back into a routine vlog because I'm going to Trader Joe's right now, and May was a really fun celebratory month for me, obviously because I graduated from BU and I went to North Carolina to see my sister Tess. But I feel like I want to take my fitness regimen and my nutrition a little more seriously because it's my last summer in Boston and it's just gonna be really hot and humid here these next few months. I just know that I feel my best when I'm like putting good stuff in my body, but also exercising consistently. So anyway, that's what this vlog is going to be about. I'm gonna get a really good haul from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna try to make this thing that I saw on TikTok. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description in case you're interested. Later today, after I get groceries, I'm gonna go to Castle Island to go rollerblading, and then at 3 p.m. I have a Brazilian bikini wax. So just doing all of the things, and I'm gonna drive slowly because I haven't driven Merlot in like 2 weeks, but she has a full tank of gas, and Boston is just looking so beautiful right now. I'm gonna insert some videos right here of all the flowers that are blooming. I don't know any of their names. I feel like some are rhododendrons, but yeah, everything is just so green and lush. It's not too hot or humid yet, but I know it's gonna get that way as more time goes on. But yeah, now that I'm done with school and back in Boston, I just have 2 straight months to kind of do whatever I want. Obviously, in my spare time, I'm gonna be applying for jobs back in Seattle. But before we hit July, which is apparently like the hottest, most humid month in all of Boston, I'm gonna try to go for a bunch of hikes because all I have is free time and I have my car. I'm kind of flying solo for the foreseeable future, so I just kind of feel like exploring Vermont because it seems like such a beautiful state. So anyway, I intend to take you guys along for that. I might just do one big hiking vlog of all the hikes I go on, but yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at, and I'm happy to be back home, but it is really hot, so yeah, pray that it doesn't get worse. Back from Trader Joe's, and I'm just gonna do the haul in my car because I feel self-conscious doing it in my house. So first things first is I got some flowers because damn it, if you want some, buy them yourself. You deserve it. I got these 2 like little bouquets. This one has like pink roses, and I think that's a form of baby's breath. And then this one, which is, I stuck it in my water bottle, like white roses and some lilies and some more baby's breath maybe. So I figured these 2 would look really cute in a vase together. And then I got some bananas and some avocados, as well as my sourdough multigrain bread because I love my avocado toast. And I got a bunch of good veggies for this dish I'm planning to make tonight for dinner. I got a big bag of kale. This is gonna be for my salads. It's baby spinach and baby arugula. I just have that with like grape tomatoes and salad dressing. I also got carrots, grape tomatoes, blueberries, and a giant thing of strawberries. And then as a snack for hummus, I got these multigrain pita chips with sesame seeds, which I've never tried before, so hopefully these are good. And then something I'm more excited about is I really want to start having overnight oats more, so I got some almond beverage vanilla, this is their unsweetened version, and a big bag of their rolled oats. And my thought is, I'm pretty sure it's like half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of almond milk or oat milk, whatever you choose, and then you sprinkle in some cinnamon and some vanilla, and then on top the next morning I can put those blueberries that I bought. But I also got a thing of this completely organic cacao chips, which are basically just like chocolate chips. I don't really know what the difference is, but I want to start getting into that for breakfast, and I'm excited to prep them tonight. So yeah, that's everything I got from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna unpack this all, go upstairs and put sunscreen on so then I can go rollerblading. I'm so excited. I haven't been in 2 weeks and it's like getting hotter and hotter as we speak, but I'm just really looking forward to getting outside and going back to Castle Island. I haven't been there. You guys know it's one of my favorite places in Boston, so woo! You guys, I know the last time I talked to you was when I was at the house unloading my groceries, but I totally forgot to vlog because I was having too much fun rollerblading at Castle Island. I just finessed a spot. I am so proud of myself. I have to show you what 2 cars my car is fitting between right now. It is 2:55 and my waxing appointment is at 3. I fucking did that. Oh my gosh. I was so stressed out that I was gonna miss my appointment because like parking around here is crazy. I was like, I'm not gonna find a spot, and I already paid for the wax, so I was like, there goes my money. But I freaking did it, and I keep Purell in my car, so now my hands are clean. I'm ready to get the hair ripped out of my bikini area. Okay, I'm realizing it's less impressive on camera, but like there's plenty of room back there and there's room in here, and I fit my car there. I'm so fucking proud. So I never really spend time in this part of Boston. It's right near TD Garden where the Celtics and the Bruins play, but it's got this really pretty view of the bridge. I think it's this Charleston Bridge, and there's this restaurant right here called The Tavern that I really want to go to, and my waxer recommended. So yeah, I'm just so happy that I got that done. I got a parking spot. Life is good. I want to come back here with my girlfriends when I'm cute and go out for drinks. Isn't that so pretty? Like, what a giant, beautiful bridge. All right, so it is dinner time, and I just sliced my finger open on the pan of black beans. That was not very cash money of the lid. But anyway, the dinner I'm making requires kale, black beans, garbanzo beans, carrots, and then brown rice, which I just cooked in the microwave. And then for flavoring, it requires pesto, minced garlic, and I'm using sriracha sauce, but it seems like you can kind of use whatever sauce you want. Put the TikTok of the recipe I'm using in the description in case you guys want to try it. It looks pretty good, and I'm gonna combine that with my rice right now and have dinner. Hopefully my finger stops bleeding. I should be fine. I concocted this stupid little cast, but anyway, that will do it for this evening, and then tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and try my overnight oats and let you guys know if it tastes good with the blueberries and the cacao nibs. Hopefully so. Wait, you guys, I actually just tried a bite, and I know it may not look like the prettiest thing, but as far as like healthier dinner options go, this is really good. I'm liking it with the sriracha sauce that I have. So if you guys have a Trader Joe's or really any of these ingredients you could get at a normal grocery store, I highly recommend, because this is tasty. I could see how this could be a really good thing for like meals throughout the week, because you use a whole can of garbanzo beans and a whole can of black beans. So anyway, I'm loving this. I'm so glad I came across this recipe. It's the next morning, slept very well, and my overnight oats are ready. It looks like this. I kind of filled it up with blueberries, and then you can see there are the cacao like chips in there. I just tried one and don't know if there's any health benefits from switching from like normal chocolate chips. They're definitely not as sweet, so maybe it's more natural, like less refined sugar. I don't know, but it definitely adds flavor. So hopefully this is good, and I'm feeling very motivated this morning. I like woke up naturally at 6:30. I think it's because of the light. I left one of my window blinds open, but I'm gonna go for a run, and then I'm gonna come back and exercise. So keeping up with this healthy, getting back into a routine vlog. I think later today I'm gonna apply for some jobs and read a bit for pleasure. I started a book called Between Two Kingdoms that I highly recommend if you guys are interested in kind of like a memoir. It's a bit sad because it's about a girl that gets cancer, but the second half of the book is about how she goes through remission and kind of has to re-assimilate into normal life, and she's about to go on a road trip. So anyway, very good things planned for today, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how the overnight oats taste. First of all, here's my flowers, the ones I bought for myself yesterday. They're so cute. I feel like I might be drowning this one a little bit, but anyway, overnight oats are good. I feel like pro tip, if you're interested in trying to get into overnight oats, because it is a very like heart healthy and filling breakfast to have every morning, you have to have toppings. You have to have fruit. I could have cut up strawberries and put that on here too, or banana coins, or like honey, or agave. I know some people add maple syrup just for like a little bit of sweetness and flavor, because without any toppings, it is just like soggy oatmeal. So the consistency isn't the best, but with something bright like blueberries and then something a bit sweeter like the cacao chips, it is very good. So I kind of like it because it's like every morning I don't have an excuse as to not eat for some reason. Not that I would ever avoid breakfast or love breakfast, but I kind of like that the prep work goes in the night before and you just wake up and it's ready to eat. So yeah. All right, so I just got done working out. I totally forgot to record any of it, but I just went for like a little baby warm-up run. I did did like a mile around the neighborhood, and then I came back and worked out in our driveway, which my stingy, terrible landlord won't let me frickin' park in, which is why I have to rent that parking spot, but it does make for a good space to work out in. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. This is my effort to get back into a healthy and stable routine. I decided that tomorrow I'm gonna go for a hike. I really want to, like I said, explore more of Vermont and New Hampshire. So I'm going to this waterfall. I'll put the name at the bottom of the screen. I'm gonna do a whole like epic hiking vlog so you guys can see that if that interests you. But yeah, here's to hoping that these last few months in Boston are healthy and I can stay on my grind of doing all the things that make me feel good. While I may talk about it like it's a chore, I actually really do like exercising every day and like eating well. I feel like today's the best I've eaten in a while because I had that overnight oats like you guys saw, and then for lunch I had what I made for dinner last night, which was really good. And for snacks I've just been having like the strawberries I bought, and I had some of those pita chips with some hummus. That was great. And then this evening I'm headed to Time Out Market with my girlfriends. You guys should subscribe, follow me on Instagram, go listen to the podcast. I have a fun episode coming out this Sunday. It's going to be about like my 5-year plan, quote, as a 23-year-old. So looking forward to that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.